Hello friends, today I am going to unbox my Secret Santa gift and I'm going to show you what's inside. Sarah from the Sarah Kirby blog, used to be known as Be Nice Life, announced that she was arranging a cruelty-free and vegan Secret Santa for cruelty-free bloggers, vloggers to take part in, and I thought that sounded like a great idea, so I signed up. I know my person has got theirs and opened it, so hopefully they like it, and I've been saving mine. I've had this since November, and I was gonna save it till Christmas, but I've decided to show you what's inside it today. So if I can get it open, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. This is so exciting. Ooh. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, that's so cute. There's a familiar smell coming off this. I will let you know what that is in a minute. Wishing you a cosmic Christmas. Dear Sal, Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy the gifts. I wanted to find something more cosmic and alien, so I've gone for glitter, magic and unicorns. Have a fab Christmas. Lots of love, your Secret Santa. Oh, I'm very excited. The thought of cosmic glitter and unicorns is making me very excitable right now. Okay, so this little bag says glitter balm. Holistics glitter balm. It's got a vegan sunflower on it. Wow. Why is my first instinct to stick my nose in everything? I'm not sure. That's very odd, but I'm going to Google what I do with that so I know. So I don't get it wrong. It feels kind of like a sticky balm, maybe, that you put glitter onto. Although I do see a little bit of glitter in there. Okay, I'm going to have to Google that and figure that out. Oh, that's so cute. I've got a little notepad with a unicorn on. Love that. And there we go. The familiar smell I could smell was the magic wand bubble bar. I love it. I absolutely love Snow Fairy. And that's what it smells like. And it's one of those ones that you sort of hold underneath the tap and let the water run down on it, so it's good for multiple uses. So that is really sweet. Thank you so much. Whoever you are, Secret Santa, feel free to reveal yourself if you want to. You don't have to, but thank you so much. I love everything, and I'm really excited to use that probably tonight in my bath, because I actually do you know, I've never actually bought this. As much as I love Snow Fairy and I buy something Snow Fairy every year, I don't think I've ever bought this bubble bar. So thank you so much for that, and I'm really looking forward to trying it. Did you take part in the cruelty-free Secret Santa? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Tell me what you got, or link me to your video or blog post or whatever, you know, if you've done any social media about it. Thank you, Santa, and thank you very much everybody for watching, and I will see you soon.